Hello, this is Erica. I'm going to show you how to upload your blog post to the website. Just so you know, I'm legally blind, so I have to do everything in dark mode with a magnifying glass, and it's going to be very large. But it shouldn't interfere with what you're doing. If so, just call me and I'll walk you through it. So, first thing is, this is the dashboard. Yours is going to look different because everyone's status is different, and but you'll still be able to get to it. There are two ways to start your blog post to get to the section that you need. The first way, if you look up here to the plus sign, you just hover. You don't even have to click it. You just hover it, and you see post is the first option in the list. Or over here to the left panel, you see posts, and we're going to go this way. Click on it. And then up here, it says add new post. Click on that. So either way will get you right here to this page, and this is what you need. So now you put your title in. I'm not going to do a whole post. I'm just going to do some examples so you see. 5 to 7 words. 5 to 7 words in the title. Okay? You don't have to do any formatting there. And then you come down here, and where it says type, to add, you put your cursor there and paste whatever your blog post that you've written in your Word doc. And so let's just say in the beginning, there was nothing but space and darkness. Okay. So now, if your if your document, when you paste it, does not automatically separate each sentence into a separate block, remember this is a block, and it goes, and then it has 2 sentences in one block. Let's see, the dog is happy, running after cars. Okay, so then what you will do is put your cursor right before the next sentence, hit enter, it automatically creates another block. Okay, so you're not doing any formatting there either. But your first sentence needs to be an H2, a heading 2. Click over this. And the way you do that is click anywhere in that block, in that sentence, and your editing bar comes up. This first character is a backwards P, which is the symbol for paragraph. Click on that and you'll see a drop down. The first section in your drop down is heading. That's what you want. Click on it and you're done. Because it defaults to an H2 heading. That's what we want. Okay? Now, you're going to copy and paste your first sentence because we're going to use that in 2 other places. And so let's see, where's that copy? Okay. And so we're going to scroll down. And this is the Google, this is where we make it nice and pretty for Google to like it and serve it up to people looking for what we're offering. Okay. And so let's go down. Okay, now, first thing is slug. Slug is after a website domain, ours, say abc.com / and you see words with hyphens in between. Okay, that is the slug. So you're going to put your slug in. Your slug is going to be the title. I forgot what we just did for the title. 5 to 7. Okay, so 5 hyphen 2 hyphen 7. So you get the point. Hyphen in between each word. Okay. Now, what we just copied is going to go into the meta description. Okay, and the meta description is going to be a specific length. Okay, so now paste what you just copied, and let's see how long. I know that already that's too short. So now you see how this is going. This is changing colors, and we're going to get it all the way over here as close as possible to the end without going past it. So let's type some things to get it over there, and we'll keep this magnified so we can look at that. Okay, so the children are having a great time visiting their grandparents in the country. Okay, let's see. We're still. Did we go too far? Oh, we did. Okay. Uh-oh, didn't see that. Okay, I'm sorry. So let's backspace some. Okay. You see that? How it's at the end? Okay. Don't worry about being perfect. We can, because it's just like one character will take you over, and we don't want to go over. You just stay a couple of characters short. So with that being said, if you need to just change a word or two here, maybe hyphenate, maybe instead of is not, put isn't. Forget what that's forget what it's called. But yeah, you don't have to change your first sentence. But what you're going to do is now you're going to copy this, and if you had to change it, you're going to copy this, and you're going to where's copy? There we go. And you're done on this side, so now you're going over to the right side. Make sure you're on post, okay? Because this is a post-wide change that we're making. And so now here, set featured image. Remember the Pixabay picture images that you should be getting for this post, for each post. Click on that, and you upload. You go to select file and upload, okay? And so now I'll come out of this. And under that to select, you have here add excerpt. That's what we're doing. So you add excerpt, a little box pops out to the side. Where'd it go? Did it not pop out? Add. There we go. Okay, put your cursor there. Paste. Done. Okay. If you have to schedule your posts, okay, so you're doing more than one post, you have to schedule your post where it says, scroll down, publish. Okay. Over here, it defaults to immediately. Click on immediately, and you'll see a calendar pop up. Put your date, whatever date you want, however far out you want. You change the year, change the month, and schedule it for 10 o'clock. Okay? And then the rest is pretty self-explanatory. You put your tags, you put your categories, choose your main category, and you're up here. If you're publishing it right now, it will say publish, but if you schedule it, it will say schedule, and that's it. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, happy posting.